Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in today's video we are going to learn how to create a guessing game. So how this guessing game works. First of all, a random number is generated from our code in the system, and then we will ask the user to guess that number. Once the user puts the number in it, it will be then compared with that random number, and if the number is correct, it will print out that number and number of attempts it took to get this number. Either if the number is higher than the random number generated by the code, it will tell us that you have to guess lower number, and if number which we the user is giving is lower than the random number generated by code, it will try to say that guess higher, and this process will continue until the number is correctly guessed by us. And at the end, when the right number is guessed, it will print the number of attempts it took to guess that number. So let's just start our coding. For that, first we have to import a module name as random, and we will generate a number random randint 1 to 100. So this line means system will generate a random number which is of integer type between 1 to 100, and will ask the user to guess the number. By taking input from the user, enter the number. It should be in inverted commas. Enter the number. So first of all, our loop will be there because we want to continue this guessing from getting from user that input of guess until it is not equal to jackpot. That means it will continue that loop. He will ask again and again user to input the number. So here, while guess is not equal to jackpot, that means system generated number, until it is not equal, the loop will continue to run. So first we have to give the condition: if guess is less than the system generated number, print guess is less than jackpot. It will say guess higher number, and if guess is higher than jackpot number or the system generated number, it will say guess lower number. And it will, once it is said that, it will ask to input one more time the number, and we have to print number of attempts it took. So For that we will put one it will increase the count of number by 1 every time we try to guess the number, and when the guess is equal to the system generated number, it will print this is the correct number or correct guess. So let's just check how this program runs. Enter the number 45. Guess higher. It is saying just guess the higher number. So we will do 50. It will say guess higher number. We will put 60. It will say guess higher number. We will put 70. It says guess lower number. Now the number is between 60 and 70. So we will put 65. Guess lower number. So we will put 63. Guess higher number. That means right number is 64. So it says that correct guess, and we have to also print here how many attempts we took. Number of attempts taken is equal to counter. So now we will run our program once again, and it is complete now. Enter the number 60. Guess higher number. Enter the number 70. Guess higher number. We will enter 80. Guess lower number. That means it is between 70 and 80. Guess higher number. We will print 78. Guess lower number. That means 77. So we took number of attempts, took 6 to correctly guess that number which system has generated. The number was generated was 77. So thank you for this tutorial, and we will meet with learning of for loops in our next video.